Hello and welcome back to Thomas Talks, and it's been a moment since I've uploaded a video, and due to recent kind of interest in watching a couple of Louis Vuitton in particular videos on YouTube, I thought I would make my own video on the Louis Vuitton aftershave. So actually, embarrassingly, didn't really know Louis Vuitton made aftershave until about maybe 2 or 3 months ago, and I was in the store probably about a month and a half ago, beginning of June. Yeah, it was in getting my dad a little wallet for his birthday, and the lady approached him, just maybe mentioning kind of the ideas of writing an aftershave past. So that's where I thought I wasn't really up for it. I didn't go in attention looking for it, and there's quite a wide range for male and female, so the perfumes and aftershave, all of them really smelled really well. But the one that I decided to go for was Labdanum, which is going to be a little bit embarrassing with my French there if it focuses in. It's a bit in reverse, apologies, but yeah, that's the kind of packaging. So it came in with a little Louis Vuitton bag, a little bit of another wee kind of bag inside, which, as you can see, is the same kind of Louis Vuitton trademark colour, and you get little pouches. You get Louis Vuitton with your receipt, which we can touch on in a minute. But the overall presentation is really well, and they give you the story, and when you're in the shop, it's really kind of, you're buying into like the brand image and the brand story and history. I think it was something like 8 or 10 years that these aftershaves were in development for. So you get a wee kind of like house box for it. And again, you've got this cylindrical with the LV stamping on the top there, if it focuses in. You just have to trust me, it's not but yeah, it's a wee cylindrical thing. You can actually buy little Louis Vuitton leather cases and get your name engraved and stuff on it, so that's quite a nice wee idea. The bottles themselves, I quite like having it sit and sitting out, just like sitting in its little cardboard situation here, but you can lift it out totally and you get like a little traditional old-fashioned bottle. You'd think it might be a little bit blingy or anything, but it's actually quite classy and simplistic. Again, it's got the LV logo on the top there. And I've got a magnetic lid. And this particular one, I have had my initials added to the bottle, which again, it's maybe a bit hard to see in this light. But as it's focused in now, you can see in the bottle, it's got the name of the aftershave at the top, Louis Vuitton just below, and very faintly you can see my initials have been added to the exterior of the bottle down just about here. As I said, that's quite a nice feature, so you can get it personalised if you want it as a gift or for yourself. And these bottles are refillable, so once you've finished it up, you can just take it back to the shop and pay about £100 and get it refilled. So what really drew me to this fragrance was the actual smell, and there's so many variations. There's ones that are woody, kind of little wood, the rose kind of ones, but this particular one is a bit generic, but one little spritz. It's got a very kind of powerful smell. I think it's one of the ones they use actually in the store just to spray in as you're coming in. It's got kind of a, I don't know, it's got like a floral, kind of a sweet and fruity smell, but it's also got, I don't know, just a hint of something behind it, a bit of strength. But it's really quite nice and quite masculine feeling. I've had many compliments on this aftershave, so I do actually recommend anybody wanting something a bit different, just jump onto a Louis Vuitton and particularly try out the Labdanum one, and just because I quite like the way it smells, and as I said, I've had quite a few compliments on that, and it's just something a little bit different that you would get out of a supermarket or a normal aftershave shop. So you definitely go and check it out. Some of this video is a little bit different for my usual channel, but just hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I wanted to get in the bandwagon of Louis Vuitton stuff, so hopefully you enjoyed the aftershave video. As I said, hopefully you found it helpful. As I said, there's quite a few options, but as I said, I was out in Edinburgh, and that's where our only shop is in Scotland, unfortunately. And for anybody wondering, it is £185, so it's a little bit on the pricier side. However, I think it's kind of worth it just because you're getting quite a classy smell and something you can use on nice nights out. But anyway, I just want to say thanks very much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel below, and I'll see you next video. Ciao!